So beta aaj hum we will start with that back exercise of chapter 10. Okay, so before that I want you to tell me in brief what did we read yesterday. So who will start that story? Quickly tell me who will just start at story. So okay, tell me the story. What did we read yesterday? Okay, in brief you are to tell me. I don't want you to tell me each and everything. In brief you are to tell me what is there in the story. How did the story begin? Okay, who will start the story? Very good, very good, very good. I can see many hands. Okay, Neil, start bete, start quickly. And all others, you all are advised to be very much attentive. I can ask anybody, किसी को भी मैं पूछ सकती हूँ. Yes बेटे. हाँ जी नील बेटे, start it.
And once upon a time, in the Kangle Park city of Manipur, there was a, a Ningthau and Lyama. They were loved by the people. They also loved the Nian very much.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay बेटे, mute yourself. Okay, mute yourself. हाँ जी. Girik, what does the word Ningthau mean? हाँ जी बेटा, Ningthau, what does it mean? Quickly give me answer. What does the word Ningthau here in this chapter? The word, इसका title ही ये है. Who will be Ningthau? What does the word Ningthau mean? गिरिक बेटे, गिरिक बच्चे बताइए. What does the word Ningthau mean? Okay. No response? Right. हाँ जी. Jasam. Jasam, what does the word Ningthau mean?
मैम वो एक किंग था.
हाँ?
मैम वो एक किंग था.
किंग था बेटा. निंगथाउ का मतलब ही किंग है. ओके, इस चैप्टर में मणिपुरी लैंग्वेज में वर्ड्स यूज किए हुए हैं. दैट इज व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे टू नोट डाउन द मीनिंग्स ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स. ओके, एंड व्हाट डज द वर्ड लीमा मीन? गिरिक, लीमा, व्हाट डज द वर्ड लीमा मीन? जल्दी से बेटे, डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, जल्दी से, क्विकली गिव मी आंसर.
मैम क्वीन को मैम लीमा कहते हैं.
Yes, Lima is queen. Lima is used for queen. Okay. So king and queen, they loved their people very much, and people also in return, they also love them very much. Okay. Next, who will continue? You are to continue this story. Quickly. Yes, who will tell me next? Yes, Gagan. Yes, bete, continue.
Ninthau and Lima on their parts.
बेटा just a minute गगन बेटे, आपने पढ़ना नहीं है. आपने चैप्टर को पढ़ना नहीं है. यू आर टू टेल मी इन ब्रीफ कि हमने कल क्या पढ़ा था. इसके आगे कंटिन्यू करो. इन ब्रीफ यू आर टू टेल मी. आप एक मूवी देख के आए हो, ब्रीफ में आप बता रहे हो किसी को कि ये था मूवी में. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट. कल हमने चैप्टर पढ़ा था. इन ब्रीफ यू टेल मी व्हाट डिड यू रीड यस्टरडे. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, yes, Prisha. हाँ जी प्रीशा.
They had 3 sons, Sana Jomba, Sana Yaima, and Sana Tomba.
Yes.
After 12 years, they had a girl. When they had a girl, then the Ningthau thought. After some years, the Ningthau thought that who will be the Ningthau?
Yes. Future. Who will be the future king? Okay. Stop. For yes. Now the thing was that the king and the queen, they thought that who would be the next future king. So what did they do for that? To decide who would be the next king, what did they do? Yes. Who will tell me? What did they do to decide who would be the next king? Chinmay.
Ma'am, he decided to a horse race.
Okay, they decided a horse race. Okay, they organized a horse race. Okay, and what was the result of that horse race?
All his son, sons, all his sons finished the race at same time.
Yes, on the same time. Yes, all his sons, they reached the spot on the same time. And what was the destination for that? उन्होंने एक वर्ड यूज किया था, उनको कहां तक पहुंचना था? What was that? What was that? उनको कहां तक पहुंचना था?
Auntie.
Yes, बनियानी, it is banyan tree. Okay, so it is banyan tree तक उन्होंने पहुंचना था. Okay, next. Now continue. Yes, Avni.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
after that, the people were very excited that now who will be the Naito. So then the Naito said his sons to do a thing so that he can decide that who will be the future king.
Yes.
So then
Now, okay. Now, the thing was that as all his sons, they reached the spot on the same time. So it was very much difficult for the king and queen to decide that who would be the next king. So what did they do? They told their sons to do something extraordinary, to do something different, so that they could decide that who would be the future king. So what was done by all their sons? Yes, हाँ जी, उनके बेटों ने क्या किया फिर? What different did they do? What different did they do? What was the thing that they did differently? Yes, who will tell me? Okay, Hitesh.
Ma'am, the first son, Sanatomba, jumped all over the banyan tree with his horse, and the next son, Sanyamana, jumped jumped over the tree with his horse, and the next son ride on his horse and uproot the banyan tree with his spear.
Okay. थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ी हुई है. It is okay. Good. At least you reached the thing कि ये उन्होंने किया था. Okay. एक तो बेटा आपकी गलती थी. The third son, he rode on his horse. Ride नहीं, rode. And uprooted the banyan tree. Okay. But he did not uproot the tree with his spear. The spear was used by the first son when he pierced the banyan tree. उसने पेड़ को 2 हिस्सों में काट दिया था और उसके बीच में से वो जंप करके गया. एंड द सेकेंड सन, ही जंप्ड ओवर द ट्री. वो जैसे मैंने बोला था ना कल आपको कि पूरा फिल्मी स्टाइल में, ही जंप्ड ओवर द ट्री. एंड द थर्ड सन, ही uprooted the banyan tree. Okay, so after this, was the king able to decide that who would be the future king? युवराज. हाँ जी, युवराज बेटा, are you there in the class? Okay, no response. Yes, Sanchi. After their extraordinary act, was the king and queen able to decide that who would be the future king? Sanchi beta, give response. Sanchi बच्चे, give response.
ओके ठीक है बाजी, ठीक है. ओके.
Vinayak, mute yourself. हाँ जी, सांची बेटा, वेयर आर यू? ओके, नो रिस्पॉन्स. बेटा नहीं आता आपको आंसर तो यू जस्ट सिंपली टेल मी कि आई डोंट नो द आंसर. ओके, यस अमे, टेल मी.
It was so difficult.
अमे, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटे. Ame, unmute yourself, bete.
It was so difficult to choose the Ninthau. So the Ninthau and Liaman, it was so difficult to choose the Ninthau because all their sons performed well. Suddenly, their small. Suddenly, they looked at the
Looked at their daughter.
little girl.
What was the what was the name of the daughter? What was the name of the daughter?
Sanatombi.
It is Sana Tombi. Yes,
Sanatombi.
yes, yes. So what did she try to show them?
And they try to show them that the banyan tree is dead. It was hurt by the spear, and it is now dead because it is uprooted.
It
So the Ninthau and Liamat decided to make Sanatombi the future queen.
okay, okay. Now, can anybody tell me why did they decide to make her the queen, not the sons? What was different in that girl? What was different in that girl? What did they notice in that girl which was not noticed in all three sons? Yes, Vinayak. 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 बेटा वीडियो नहीं ऑफ करनी यू आर टू गिव रिस्पॉन्स विनायक ओके यस हर्षप्रीत चावला
Ma'am, because the Sanatombi declared spear for the tree, that he also have feelings. The birds, they are flying outside the tree, that their nests are in the tree, and the
ओके
the birds are also caring for tree because it has the nest.
बेटा एक तो देखो ये सारा चैप्टर पास्ट में है व्हेन यू आर आस्क्ड एनीथिंग यूज सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब और वाज वर्ब राइट तो पास्ट में सारा आंसर दे रहे हो योर आंसर इज राइट बिकॉज शी cared about the even that tree also she was worried about the birds also so she showed concern about the tree about the birds so that is why they found that their daughter she was concerned about she also loved like them to each and every living being so they decided to make her the queen okay now bete quickly you are to see कि आपने जो इसकी बैक एक्सरसाइज करनी है just turn the pages I don't know whether the page numbers are same in your book or not. In my book, it is page number 182. Page number 182. Here, the first question is say aloud the following names in your mother tongue. So, what you need to do is, आपने इसके सामने, just see, here, these words are written in Manipuri. I hope you all are able to view this. ओके सो यहाँ पे ये जो वर्ड्स हैं दीज आर रिटन इन मणिपुरी सो जस्ट ऑपोजिट टू इट इसके सामने आपने क्या लिखना है कि ये वर्ड्स इंग्लिश में ये वर्ड्स क्या हैं लाइक द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज निंगथाउ निंगथाउ इज यू नो इट जस्ट लिप मूवमेंट निंगथाउ इज किंग ओके नेक्स्ट इज लीमा इज Queen, very good, very good. Miam is people. वो people का पेड़ नहीं, people, P-E-O-P-L-E. It is log. Okay. Next is Kongnang. Kongnang is banyan tree. Yes, it is banyan tree. Okay. Next, again, write the meanings of the following in English. Again, these terms are given. ये मैंने आपको साथ में चैप्टर में बताई थी ये टर्म्स आपको मैंने बताई थी सो यू आर टू राइट हियर आल्सो यू आर टू राइट दीज टर्म्स ओके आफ्टर दैट वी हैव वन क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव नॉट मेंशन्ड अब इसके लिए सी हियर आल्सो One question is given. Just see. इस क्वेश्चन के लिए आपने क्या करना है, इसमें से you can take up any 4-5. These are the expressions. Okay, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ब्रावो, ब्रावो, वो कब यूज किया जाता है? When do we use this? ब्रावो, when do we use this? आपने चैप्टर में भी पढ़ा है. Can anybody tell me when do we use this? Yes, when do we use this word bravo? Yes, who will tell me? Okay, okay. हाँ जी, लवेश, लवेश.
मैम जो ब्रेवनेस
ब्रेवनेस तो कोई वर्ड ही नहीं होता बेटा. ब्रेवनेस तो नहीं.
मैम जैसे कि ना ब्रेव ऐसा
It is said when someone is doing something very well, when someone is doing any act of bravery, bravo. Okay, so अब आपने okay, I want you to make a very small video. इसमें से कोई 5 words लेके आपने अपने expressions show करके बताना है कि when this word is used. जैसे bravo, this is used when somebody is doing some act of bravery, when something is done in a very good manner. Okay, so oh, like this you are to show expressions. Any 5 words, very short video. ये less than 1 minute ही बनेगी आपकी, very short video. So I will check कि कितने students मुझे ये video भेजते हैं. Okay, so it is going to be something very much interesting for you. Any 5 words, आप अपनी choice के कोई भी 5 words ले सकते हो इनमें से. Okay, will you be able to do? Okay, very nice. Now next thing, quickly have a look. Next thing is, yes bete, now next page पे, here also these questions are given. Okay, अब यहाँ पे क्या है? It is actions with ed at the end. We all are familiar with forms of verb. कुछ forms of verb होती हैं जहां पे verb जो word है totally change हो जाता है, but कुछ verbs में we simply add ed. जैसे, can you give me any example? जहां पे हम ed use करते हैं? Anybody who can give me any example? जहां पे हम सिर्फ ed use करते हैं action words के लिए, जब हम उसकी form change करते हैं. Yes. हाँ जी बेटे, very good. Who will tell me? Yes, Gagan. Sorry, Ghazal. हाँ जी, Ghazal बोलिए.
Arrived.
Very good. तो आपने कुछ ऐसे 3, जैसे इन्होंने they have given example admitted. Okay, तो उसकी जो first form होती है that is admit.
Muted.
Kirik, mute yourself बेटे. It is admit. Okay, so इस तरह से आपने 3 और लिखने हैं, 3 और. Okay, आप preferably try to find it out from your chapter. आपके चैप्टर में जो यूज किए हुए वो वाले आपने यूज करने. And next thing is, this is merely practice of your tenses. यहाँ पे आपने proper जो form of verb आएगी वो fill करनी है. इसके लिए बेटा एक चीज बहुत जरूरी है, ये नहीं कि आपने सेंटेंस पढ़ा एंड यू स्टार्टेड फिलिंग द फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब. रीड द होल कंटेंट. पूरे का पूरा कंटेंट पढ़ोगे तो आपको समझ आएगा कि यहाँ पे कौन सा टेंस यूज करना है. हम समटाइम्स इट इज देयर कि लास्ट पे जाके येस्टरडे वर्ड दिया होता है, देन यू कम टू नो ओहो यहाँ पे तो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस आना है, ये हमने पास्ट में बताना है सारा. ओके, सो पहले पूरा कंटेंट पढ़ो, उसके बाद में यू विल फिल ऑल द वर्ब्स हियर. Right now, will you be able to do? Okay, very nice. So this is how you are to complete your back exercise also. Okay, so beta next lecture mein we will take up that subject verb agreement also. Okay, then you will explain me the rules jo maine aapko samjhaye the. That will be the sort of revision also for that topic. Okay, so I hope the things are clear. So now will you be able to solve this back exercise? Okay, very nice, good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, bete.